Welcome to TPM Vid's Disney Beat Spotlight Series, where we take a look at a specific Disney-related ride, event, or performance. Pinocchio's Daring Journey opened in April of 1983, and has become one of the classic dark rides at Disneyland. Well, recently, while we were on the ride, it broke down, and we got to experience an in-show exit on the ride. At that exact moment the ride broke down, I wasn't filming, so I turned the camera on as quick as I could, and here's what happened.
You inside Pinocchio's Daring Journey, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. The cast member will be with you shortly. Thank you. Once again, for those of you
Hello guys, this is a tight squeeze right over here. I think it'd be better if we go this way.
Yeah, we're gonna have to switch to the right.
Yeah. And right over here. Just wait right here, can you please? And then if I could have you guys just cross over to this side. Thank you. Come on. Hello ladies, thank you so much for waiting. Wait right there, can you please? Come on through. And then you guys can just follow right after this.
Follow the speedy kind
So, do you have any stories of a ride breaking down at one of the Disney theme parks? Leave a comment down below to start a conversation, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. If you have any videos from the Disney parks that you'd like to share with us to be used in future videos, follow the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Click the TPM icon on the screen to subscribe to this channel, and check out some of these other videos which we're sure you'll like.